too, down to the bone.
Hello?
This smells great. Oops, sorry. We didn't mean to fall asleep in your breakfast.
It's one of our oldest customs that when a witch turns 13, she has to leave home for a year to begin her training.
I remember very well the exact day you arrived in this town. A little girl flew down from the sky on her broomstick, and I was certain she was much too young to hold such an important job as resident witch.
Aim your broomstick.